Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be testing slime recipes without glue, without borax, laundry detergent or contact solution. If you're new to my channel, it would be very nice if you could click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And now before we start, I would like to let you know that if you'd like to get a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is to be subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell and comment with a hashtag notification squad. So now let's move on to the video. For my first recipe I will be using a body wash. I'm adding to it some cream of tartar. This powder is used in a kitchen to stabilize food. I'm mixing it well. And look, it's getting thicker. I'll add some more. And now I'll put it in the freezer for 1 hour. Okay, here it is. This is so cold. It's thick, kind of looks like slime, but it does make my hands dirty. It's much more nicer to play with it in a ball. The next recipe is with a styrofoam and nail polish remover. So I've got some styrofoam and I'll add to it clear acetone. Wow, look, it's melting. But almost nothing is left here. Let's see. Wow, there is a little slime here. It's really a slime. It's not sticky and it feels very nice. I will make some more. So this recipe really works and makes a great slime. But you have to use clear acetone. I I tried the normal nail polish remover and it didn't do anything to the styrofoam. For my next recipe, I'll be using gummy candies. I'll put them in my microwave for 30 seconds. Here they are. I'll add some powdered sugar. It's getting slimy. Let's see. Oh, this is so sticky, way too sticky. I can't take it off my fingers. I'll add some more powdered sugar. It's still way too sticky and it's very hard to stretch. It's already getting hard. I would say this recipe is a fail. My last recipe will be with ground arrowroot, which is basically a tapioca starch. It is used to thicken food and making glaze for fruit. The package said to use 150 ml of water, so I will add that. Mix it well. And now I'll put it in microwave. Okay, so it was for a minute in microwave, then I mixed it, and then 1 more minute. And here it is. It is thick. It kind of looks like slime, but it's very hot, so let me wait for it to cool off. Okay, let's see. It's sticky, a little bit too watery. So I will add a little bit more of tapioca. I'll mix it. And I will put it in the microwave again for 1 minute. Wow, now this looks much better. I'll wait for it to cool off. Wow, guys, look, it really made a slime. It's still a little bit sticky, but it's really like a normal slime. You can play with it. It's really awesome. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And see you soon. Bye!